Hello everyone. Today I'm thrilled to share with you a unique opportunity to build wealth, not just by recruiting people, but through the power of artificial intelligence and crypto trading. This isn't your typical network marketing setup. TSAI has created a groundbreaking system where crypto trading robots are always crypto trading, generating an opportunity for you to have passive income. And here's the best part. You don't have to rely on recruiting others to have a passive income. With TSAI, you can start generating wealth immediately purely through these AI-driven cryptocurrency trades. Check out my other videos from my TSAI journey. But for those who are open to sharing this journey with others, there's a way to exponentiate your wealth. Now let's dive in. Now let's look at the power of AI trading bots. Now, one of the most attractive aspects of TSAI is that it is designed for people who may not want to recruit. The AI trading robots are able to trade in real time, taking advantage of the crypto market's volatility, generating returns. Imagine that these bots are working 24/7, analyzing market trends and market shifts and making trades all on their own. So let's say you invest in TSAI's crypto trading opportunity. Your investment allows you to tap into these trading bots' expertise, generating returns without ever having to bring in a single recruit. Your wealth grows as the bots work on your behalf, capitalizing on the crypto market's volatility while you go about your daily life. Here's a real-life example of how someone generates income with AI robots. So here's the picture. Let's suppose you put an initial investment in the AI platform, allowing these crypto bots to start trading for you. Over the first month, the bots make strategic trades, capturing profit as the market moves up and down. By the next day, you're seeing real returns. You didn't have to spend hours studying market trends, and you didn't need any experience in cryptocurrency trading. The AI handled it all. Now think about that over 6 months or a year. Your investment compounds as these robots make trades, compounding your wealth without even require much attention. This is a perfect example of how wealth can be created without having to recruit a single person. But you can build wealth faster by community involvement and engagement. TSAI offers the opportunity to bring others into this organization. And you can generate wealth not only from your own investment, but from others who also come in. Imagine others seeing the opportunity. They join. They start making returns. You start making a percentage from their involvement. When you build a community, you're not only sharing this incredible opportunity, but you're accelerating your own path to financial freedom. It's like building a financial ecosystem where everyone benefits, each person contributing to the growth of the network. TSAI's compensation plan is crafted to reward both individual investors and to those who build a team. You get to earn not only from the crypto trading, but you also earn by others who also want to invest. And this isn't limited to direct recruits. This also expands with others. So your income scales with your level of involvement. If you want to take the hands-off approach, you can still profit from your own investment. But if you're open to sharing this opportunity with others, your investment can grow exponentially. If you're looking to build wealth faster, there's a way to do that too. When you build a community, you're not only sharing this incredible opportunity, you're accelerating your own path to financial freedom. It's like building a financial ecosystem where everyone benefits, each person contributing to the growth and success to the network. And here's a little bit about TSAI's compensation structure. TSAI's compensation plan is crafted to reward both individual investors and those who wish to join a team. You can not only generate wealth from the AI trading, but for those who you wish to introduce TSAI to. Your earnings grow as your network expands. So the potential of income scales with your individual involvement. When you build a community, you're not only sharing this incredible opportunity, you're accelerating your own path to financial freedom. It's like building a financial ecosystem where everyone benefits, each person contributing to the growth and the wealth of the network. You get to not only to earn from your AI trading, but for those who you introduce to TSAI. And this isn't including just direct recruits, but as your network expands with your involvement. It's a system that benefits everyone. If you want to take the hands-off approach, you can still profit from your own investments. But if you're open to sharing this opportunity with others, your returns can multiply significantly, allowing you to build wealth faster. Let me tell you a little story. There's a lady by the name of Sarah who joined TSAI not too long ago. She started by investing in the AI trading program, and within a few months, she was making returns that would cover her bills. Initially, she wasn't focused on recruiting, but once her friends saw the returns she was getting, they wanted to know more about it, and they joined. And her income grew even faster. Today, Sarah has built a network of like-minded individuals who can create wealth from this opportunity. She has created a passive income stream without spending hours learning investments. So here's the opportunity. TSAI provides a unique path to financial freedom, leveraging AI crypto trading technology to trade currencies for you. Even if you don't want to recruit, even if you don't know anything about crypto, it's about putting your money to work in a system with consistent returns, accelerating your wealth, even if you want to have others to join you. I'd like to invite you to join me on my path to financial freedom and yours. Whether you're here to grow your wealth quietly or create a team for faster results, TSAI is here to make it happen. Let's turn your financial dreams into reality. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that this video is not financial advice, and I encourage you to do your own research or consult a financial advisor before making any financial investment decisions. Your success depends on multiple factors, and while TSAI has a platform that can bring you robust profits, individual results may vary. But if you're ready to take that first step towards financial freedom, I've got something extra for you. Use my invitation link below to sign up, and you'll receive a $5 sign-up bonus to get you started on this journey.